राज्यसभा की कार्रवाई सुना देते हैं आपको, क्या चल रहा है वहाँ?
As a British colony, India first participated in the Paris Olympics in the year 1900. It took such a long time to script "We Too Can Do It" movement, erasing the memories of desperation, despondency, dejection, and disbelief, compounded by the poor medal performance every 4 years. The golden record of our men's hockey team till 1980 and rare good performance by some individual athletes notwithstanding, our nation has come to lose self-esteem, confidence, morale, and hope in the domain of sports, further to poor performance in the Olympics arena. No nation can hold its head high in any domain with such a lack of confidence and low esteem, more so for an young India whose voice is finding increasing traction in the world. The Olympic spirit is no doubt more about the spirit of participation than winning medals. However, the number of medals do matter, as they come as the final testimony for the sporting prowess of any nation. More so when Olympic medals add to the global perception of emerging economies, with the level of sports being an important element of soft power. It is in respect of number of Olympic medals won that our nation has been subjected to despair for too long. In the 24 Olympic appearances till Rio Olympics in 2016, our nation could not win even a single medal. In 6, could not fetch single medal each. In 13, 2 medals in 3 Olympics, 3 in Beijing Games in 2008, and a high of 6 medals in London Games in 2012. Our country could secure the first individual gold medal only in Beijing Games in 2008 through Abhinav Bindra in shooting. The first female medal winner in Olympics could rise on the horizon only in Sydney Games in 2000 through Karanam Malleswari in weightlifting. Not even a single medal in track and field events for 120 years. In addition, accepting some rare noteworthy performances, our nation has come to be used to early exits from the competitions. The country proud with a bronze medal. Despite his knee injury, Punia fought valiantly to make it 2 medals for the country in a day, a rare occurrence. Before Neeraj Chopra set the field on fire, our men and women hockey players scripted history through their spectacular and gritty performances, restoring the waning confidence in our sport of the nation's heart, hockey. Men's team entered the semi-finals after 49 long years and fought valiantly to win a medal after 41 years. The women brave hearts, having made Olympics debut in 1980, made it to the semi-final after 41 years and only in their 3rd appearance. These stellar performances are harbingers of regeneration of interest in sports and in general, and hockey in particular, in our country. As clear markers of a hope for the future, a large number of our contingent were first-time Olympians and still performed spectacularly in Tokyo. 11 men and 8 women hockey players did so. Neeraj Chopra, Ravikumar Dahiya, Meerabai Chanu, Lovelin Vargain, and Bajrang Punia have won medals in their first Olympics. Fencer Bhavani Devi showed promise, winning for the first round as our country made debut in this sport. P.V. Sindhu emerged as the first Indian woman to win 2 Olympic medals and only the second to do so, and that too in successive games. This august House is further happy to take note of the spectacular emergence of our women athletes in the international sports arena, and they are coming to the fore as medal winners. In 2016 Rio Games, both the medal winners were women. In Tokyo, 3 of the 7 medal winners were women. In the process, 5 of the 9 medal winners in the last 2 Olympics were women, a matter of celebration. Particularly so when our women have to overcome orthodoxies and prejudices that restrict them from taking to sports. Our women sportspersons are scripting history, and this bodes very well for our medal-hungry nation. This August House is delighted over one of its honourable members, Srimati Mary Kom, representing the country in Tokyo Olympics. She is the first serving member of Parliament to represent India, first in Rio Olympics. The 6-time world champion is the first female boxer to win an Olympic boxing medal for the country, and she won a bronze medal in 2012 London Games. The 39-year-old, during her 20-year-long sports career, made immense contribution towards inspiring women into competitive sports. She lost her bout in a split verdict in Tokyo. This august house is proud of the achievements of Srimati Mary Kom. India finished at
राज्यसभा
47.
लोकसभा में तमाम उन खिलाड़ियों को जिन्होंने मेडल जीता है उनका सम्मान किया जा रहा है, उनका गुणगान किया जा रहा है। लेकिन शाम को एक सम्मान समारोह दिल्ली के अशोक होटल में है, जिस पर नजर रहेगी। तमाम चैंपियंस जो दिल्ली पहुंच रहे हैं उनके लिए एयरपोर्ट पर भव्य स्वागत का भी इंतजाम है। पूरी खबर पर पैनी नजर है एबीपी न्यूज पर, जो भी कुछ होगा सबसे पहले आप पाएंगे।
एबीपी न्यूज आपको रखे आगे।